We often think of space exploration as something happening far above our heads, but its true impact may be felt most profoundly right here on Earth. From revolutionary technologies to fundamental shifts in how we view our planet and ourselves, the space industry is quietly reshaping our world. Stay till the end for the most mind-blowing way space travel will change life as we know it. And if you're fascinated by our cosmic future, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. Let's explore the top 10 ways space travel will transform life on Earth. 10. Satellite revolution. The sky above Earth is changing with the launch of small, low-cost satellites by companies like SpaceX, OneWeb, and Amazon. These satellites will create global networks, bringing high-speed internet to remote areas and connecting 3 billion people without access. This will revolutionize education, healthcare, and farming in underserved regions by bypassing traditional infrastructure. Remote schools, telemedicine, and real-time farming data will transform lives. With no need for fiber cables or phone lines, this satellite revolution will create a global community, making geography irrelevant for access to information. 9. Space-based solar power. Imagine massive solar arrays in space, providing clean energy to Earth 24/7, unaffected by weather or night. This is space-based solar power, SBSP, a technology that's already possible. With efficient solar panels, wireless power transmission, and falling launch costs, companies and nations like Caltech, China, and Japan are developing prototypes. SBSP could supply energy to remote areas, disaster zones, and developing nations without fossil fuels, offering renewable, reliable baseload power. This could revolutionize energy and help fight climate change, meeting global energy demands in a way no current technology can. 8. Asteroid mining. Asteroid mining could revolutionize the economy, offering vast resources like platinum from asteroids. Companies and nations are developing technologies to extract materials from space, which could lower prices for rare metals, reduce Earth-based mining's environmental impact, and enable in-space manufacturing. This shift could transform our economy, turning Earth into an interconnected part of the solar system's abundance. 7. Zero-G manufacturing. Microgravity offers unique manufacturing possibilities, allowing perfect alloys, defect-free crystals, and even bioprinted human tissues. Companies like Redwire Space and Space Tango are already producing advanced materials and biological products on the International Space Station. This space manufacturing could revolutionize life on Earth, from faster internet with perfect optical fibers to efficient engines and bioprinted organs. As launch costs fall and space infrastructure grows, these transformative industries could reshape manufacturing in just a decade. 6. Space tourism. Space tourism is shifting humanity's relationship with space. Companies like Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and SpaceX are making space travel more accessible. The overview effect, from seeing Earth from space, boosts environmental awareness and global citizenship. In the next decade, private space stations will offer extended stays, while space tourism drives innovation and cost reduction, creating a self-sustaining space economy. 5. Climate monitoring and intervention. Space technology is revolutionizing our ability to monitor and address climate change. Satellites track greenhouse gases, deforestation, ocean temperatures, and ice thickness with incredible precision, holding nations accountable for environmental violations. Space-based solutions like solar radiation management and carbon capture satellites offer new climate intervention options. These technologies provide a global perspective and potential solutions that can't be achieved from Earth alone. Companies like Planet Labs and NASA are rapidly advancing these capabilities, offering hope if traditional climate efforts fall short. 4. Spin-off technologies. Space travel challenges drive innovations that improve daily life, like memory foam, water purifiers, and smartphone camera sensors. Private companies are speeding up these advancements, especially in healthcare, with tech for patient monitoring and prosthetics. Space spin-offs solve problems with efficient, reliable solutions. NASA's algorithms have even improved mammograms in surgery. As space activity grows, These innovations will continue transforming industries like healthcare, transportation, and energy. 3. Space-based agriculture. Space agriculture offers solutions to Earth's food challenges, like climate change and population growth. Experiments on the International Space Station have led to breakthroughs in plant growth using minimal resources, now applied to vertical farming. Companies like Space Farming Nexus are developing techniques to grow crops with 90% less water and no pesticides, revolutionizing farming in drought-stricken areas. Research focuses on enhancing crop resilience and nutritional density. Space agriculture could shift us to controlled environment farming, freeing land for rewilding while producing more food with fewer resources, essential for feeding humanity amid climate change. 2. Planetary defense. For the first time in Earth's history, a species has developed the capability to prevent its own extinction from asteroid impacts, a threat that has ended numerous epochs in our planet's history. NASA's successful DART mission in 2022 demonstrated humanity's first planetary defense capability, deliberately altering an asteroid's orbit through kinetic impact. This milestone represents the beginning of a comprehensive planetary defense system that includes detection networks, deflection technologies, and international coordination protocols. Private companies like Atlas Space Operations are joining government efforts, expanding our ability to track potentially hazardous near-Earth objects. What makes this particularly transformative isn't just the technology, but how it represents humanity's evolution from passive cosmic victims to active shepherds of our planet's destiny. Perhaps most profound is how planetary defense necessitates international cooperation. Asteroids don't respect national boundaries, requiring collaborative defense systems that transcend geopolitical divisions. This emerging capability doesn't just protect Earth's inhabitants, it fundamentally alters our species' relationship with cosmic risk. 1. Global perspective shift. The most profound way space travel will transform life on Earth isn't technological but psychological. As humans establish permanent presence beyond Earth, from research stations on the Moon to early settlements on Mars, our species will undergo a fundamental identity shift. This phenomenon, an expansion of the overview effect experienced by astronauts, could resolve what may be humanity's most dangerous limitation: our inability to truly perceive Earth as a single, limited system. From space, national borders disappear, and the thin atmosphere protecting all life becomes starkly visible. As thousands and eventually millions of humans experience this perspective, it could catalyze a cultural transformation in how we approach global challenges. Evidence suggests this isn't speculation. Studies of returning astronauts show lasting changes in environmental awareness and diminished nationalism. Perhaps most revolutionary is how space settlement provides context for Earth's true value. As we struggle to create habitable environments in space's harsh void, our planet's miraculous life support system becomes unmistakably precious. This perceptual shift may prove humanity's most important space development. Not technology that changes how we do things, but perspective that changes who we are. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.